Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Always in the series about Kotlin for Beginners, we are going to learn about two functions that are part of the Kotlin standard library. Let's get started. Always with an empty project, we have two functions to work with, the takeIf and the takeUnless, which are opposite functions. Let's say always with a string, for example, let's put it just hello, and we want to work on the length of this string. Okay, so always you can use string dot, you can use it directly with the takeIf, takeUnless, but I want to work on the length. For example, well, on this length, I want to take it if, for example, if it is odd or it is bigger than, for example, 3. Okay, let's give it val bigger than 3 and less than 3, for example. We want to take this string if it is bigger than 3. The length is bigger than 3. So we put here it. The it here means this length. We want to check it if it is bigger than 3. That's it. You want to return this. Okay? And here also we can take the same thing. For example, it is less, and let's just print. Let's run this code. You'll see something interesting. First, you will see first 5. Okay? Because it is bigger than 3. That's fine. First, what is this 5? 5 is simply the length. So we take the length only if it matches this condition. Otherwise, we'll return null. Here is the null. Okay, so the first works correctly. Why? Because 5 is bigger than 3. So it works. It returns the length of 5. It will print it here. The second, it won't work because the length is bigger than 3. So it will return null. That's why we have second null. Okay, this is the takeIf. The takeUnless is the contrary. If you put it here and you run this, it will take 5 also here. Okay, so in order to see it work, let's delete that like that, the same condition, and run it. It will give you null in the second way. Why? Because it will take it if it does not match the condition. This is the takeUnless. So it is 5. And 5 is bigger than 3. Yes, it is bigger than 3, so don't take it. If it does not match the condition, let's put it, for example, 1, h1, for example, and run it. Concentrate on this, the second one. It will take it. Why? Because it does not work. The predicate does not work. If you see the length is 2, so 2 is bigger than 3? No, so take it. So these two functions are the opposite of each other. Okay, so this is it for these two functions. But why we want to do this thing? Why we would use takeIf and takeUnless if we have the if? We can do it with the if, right? We can do it like string of length. If it is bigger than 3, just do something and store this value. Yes, that's good. We can do it. But this is more readable and more concise. Imagine with this simple line, with this one line, you get the value direct. Using this, you have to write 3 lines. Okay, this is much readable. Okay, we do that a lot in functional programming. So this is it for this video. I hope you learned something, how to work with the takeIf and the takeUnless. Always remember that the takeIf will return the receiver object if it's matched the predicate, and the takeUnless will return this receiver object if it does not match the predicate. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it, and have a great day.